Get started by downloading the latest Anker app, then log into your Anker account or create a new one. Ensure Bluetooth is turned on before using the Anker app. First, let's add your device. On the Devices page, tap Add Device. Then, select your device. Press the main power button on your device to confirm pairing. Next, connect the device to your home Wi-Fi. Please ensure you select a 2.4 GHz network. Next, tap Connect. Tap Update to update the firmware. Lastly, tap Start Now to complete the pairing. On the home page, you'll find several sections. From here, you can configure settings, select a working mode, or check input and output data. You can also set AC output schedule, turn the screen on or off, enable or disable ultra-fast charging, and check the device's statistics. To set up a schedule, tap AC output schedule. Tap the plus icon on the top right. Set a specific time to automatically turn AC output on or off. Then tap Repeat to set the frequency. Additionally, you can also set a countdown timer to turn off AC output by selecting Countdown AC Off. Swipe up or down on the timer to set a countdown duration for the AC output. Tap Stop to cancel the countdown at any time. Moving on to ultra-fast charging. Reserve this feature for emergencies when you urgently need a rapid charge. For daily use, standard charging is recommended to protect your battery. Finally, tap here to check your usage history and accomplishments in the Guardian Journal. Now that we've covered what you can do on the homepage, let's move on to the EMS settings. Tap here to access the EMS working modes and settings. There are 4 modes in the Energy Management section and 2 modes in the Backup mode section. First, let's look at Time of Use mode. Tap the mode to enable it. This mode is designed to save you money on electricity bills. It automatically charges your battery when rates are low and powers your devices when rates are high. To customize this, simply tap Add Period and choose from 3 period types. During peak hours, the system runs on battery power first and only switches to the grid if the battery runs out. During mid-peak hours, the grid powers your devices directly, but it won't charge the battery. During off-peak hours, the grid powers your devices and charges the battery at the same time. After defining the period, set your electricity rates. Back on the main menu, you'll now see the Energy Management section. Simply adjust the slider to set your backup and cycle power. Now let's look at self-consumption mode. Once enabled, it prioritizes solar power and stores the excess. Next, let's look at custom mode. It allows you to set the device to charge or discharge at different times. To set a schedule, tap Set Plan. Then, tap Add Schedule. Swipe up or down on the timer to set a charge and discharge schedule. Now let's go to the Backup mode section. The first one is Storm Guard. It actively monitors weather alerts and fully charges your battery in advance to prepare for outages. Lastly, let's look at the Fast Charging Plan. This mode automatically charges your battery at your scheduled time. To enable it, simply set a start and end time. Now that we've covered EMS settings, let's wrap this up with the general settings. Tap the icon on the top right to access the general settings. Adjust AC recharging power to match your power source or reduce noise. For quiet operation, you can enable silent mode. Set your preferred time period to limit charging to 600 watts, reducing fan noise during those hours. Tap here to enable or disable the mode. Set a start and end time. Next, let's have a look at state of charge settings. Next, set your charge and discharge limits. These set the maximum and minimum battery levels, which then become the usable range for your cycle and backup power. To save even more power, let's look at the Smart AC Output mode. From here, you can set an auto-off timer for the AC output, automatically shutting it down after a set period of inactivity. Tap here to adjust the screen brightness. Then, tap here to adjust the screen timeout. Set a timeout for your device here. Once enabled, the system will automatically shut down when idle to conserve battery power. To wake it back up, use the app, press any button, or start charging. Lastly, let's look at the output port memory switch. This feature restores your previous port states after an automatic shutdown, but not after a manual shutdown. And that's it. Your system is all set up and ready to go. To learn more about our products, subscribe to our channel and visit our official website. Thanks for watching.
Anker SOLIX. Live in power.